everyone. Hi. 안녕하세요. I know it's really early in the morning. I have been up very late last night pre-partying, but I'm sure many of you have, thank you for coming such an early hour. I'm sorry for the delay, and I am Erica Kang. I'm the CEO and founder of KryptoSeoul, as well as the organizer for BUIDL SEOUL 2018. So I think I want to explain why I had this conference, because BUIDL is a very rare name in the Korean community. When I first started to plan this conference, BUIDL, people were asking me, why BUIDL? Why now? So I wanted to kind of explain very briefly why we decided to host this event and organize this event for many other people in the Korean community. So Korea is, BUIDL right now is very important because Korean industry is very focused on speculation and investment, and I'm sure many of you Koreans and me, we understand how it has been tilted towards that side, and we have not been able to focus on BUIDL and development and focusing on the actual technology. So there hasn't been a very phenomenal event, meaningful event focusing on development and technology. So I wanted to have a conference that focused on that element. And we are a two community, so we wanted to have a very pure community-led conference. So we want to focus on fundamentals, in Korea it's very difficult to focus on fundamentals because we also focus a lot on commercial things and a lot on market values. So it was very difficult for me to sell this conference to a lot of people, but I think a lot of Korean community wanted this type of event. And I think we have a very lack of focus on these three factors, and these three factors are the most core elements that constitute our industry and will grow our industry, which is community and builder and developers. So builder is not only just developers, but it all includes community builders like me, and also even marketers, community players and investors and everyone. So we wanted to focus on three factors with a balance. And so we have four main tiers of this conference, which is these following. This has been also stated in the website, and I'm sure you're a little familiar with this. So we want to focus on the academic foundation. So in Korea, there hasn't been any solid event that focused on academic foundation and focusing on scholars, researchers, students even, who are doing research in this area. And also, we want to focus on the battle of the blockchains. So not only we are focusing on just one blockchain, but we are very platform agnostic, meaning that we're not just focusing on Ethereum or EOS or any other large platforms, are trying to bring up more big ideas, great ideas. So we want to focus on these diverse protocols. And number three is show me the use cases. So where are the products, right? So I think we have a very, we want to focus on what is actually being built and what are the use cases, the dApps, right? So we have a large technical workshop upstairs that is focusing on the dApps. And number four is building the ecosystem. So we want to grow this ecosystem not just on marketing factors, commercial values, pump and dump, but we want to focus on other community builders and a lot of people who are actually contributing to this industry. So this is our team. So four of us actually, we made this work, and thank you for all of you. And yeah, thank you so much for coming. I know it's an early hour, but yeah, thank you. Enjoy this whole conference. We tried really hard to make it a very contentful conference, and it is a community-led event, so just enjoy, and people around you are going to be very important people and meaningful people. So thank you so much. Enjoy. Thank you.